benefits in terms of cost per kilowatt.
Like indicative lang.
Optimal. May we know
Yung upfront cost po kasi ng floating solar is mas malaki. Okay? Upfront cost, capital cost po. But yung return niya, yung ROI niya, mas malaki din compared sa ibang mounting structures. Kaya yung payback period, yun. ROI, mas malaki yung ROI. Payback period maging.
You have already considered yung how to address yung mga environmental impact issues.
Sa ating Sumabroad, wala naman po nakikita ang environmental na impact ng floating solar. More on, masarap pang studies na nagsasabi na may environmental benefits floating solar. Marami siyang advantage. So maraming papers na nagsasabi na maraming benefits